Hello and welcome to Full Stack AI Engineer, Python, ML, Deep Learning, and Gen AI. So, what does a full stack AI engineer need to know? Here is the path and also what we cover in this course. This course has 15 steps and each divided into weeks. Week 1, we will cover Python programming basics, foundational Python concepts including control flow, functions, data structures, strings, files, and a project. Week 2, we will cover data science essentials, NumPy, Pandas, cleaning, grouping, visualization, and EDA project. Week 3, we will cover mathematics for machine learning, linear algebra, calculus, probability, statistics, and linear regression from scratch. Week 4, we will cover probability and statistics for machine learning, distributions, inference, hypothesis testing, correlation, regression, and statistics project. Week 5, we will cover Introduction to Machine Learning, Supervised ML, Regression, Classification, Evaluation, KNN, and ML Mini Project. Week 6, we will cover Feature Engineering and Model Evaluation, Scaling, Encoding, Feature Selection, Feature Creation, Evaluation, and Cross-Validation. Week 7, we will cover Advanced Machine Learning Algorithms, Ensemble Learning, Bagging, Boosting, XGBoost, LightTBM, CatBoost, Imbalance Data, and ML Comparison Project. Week 8, we will cover model tuning and optimization, hyperparameter tuning, grid, random, Bayesian, regularization, CV, and optimization project. Week 9, we will cover neural networks and deep learning fundamentals, deep learning basics, forward backdrop, optimization, TF-Keras, PyTorch, and a CFAR10 project. Week 10, we will cover convolutional neural networks, CNNs, CNN layers, pooling, architecture building, data augmentation, and CNN project. Week 11, we will cover recurrent neural networks and sequence modeling, RNNs, LSTMs, GRUs, embeddings, seek-to-seek, and text generation project. Week 12, we will cover transformers and attention mechanisms, attention, transformer architecture, self-attention, positional encoding, BERT/GPT, and summarization/translation project. Week 13, we will cover transfer learning and fine-tuning, transfer learning for CV and NLP, fine-tuning, domain adaptation, and a custom fine-tuning project. Week 14, we will cover MLOps and model deployment, MLOps foundations, DVC, model packaging, serving, cloud deployment, CI/CD, and end-to-end deployment project. Week 15, we will cover generative AI and LLM applications, generative AI, LLMs, prompt engineering, LLM APIs, fine-tuning, RAG, AI agents, and a chatbot Gen AI project. This is more than a course, it's a transformation. The demand for AI engineers is exploding, and those who can build from data to deployment will lead the next decade of innovation. You'll graduate not just with certificates, but with a portfolio that speaks louder than any resume. Don't wait for the future to arrive. Create it. Enroll now in Full Stack AI Engineer, Python, ML, Deep Learning, and Gen AI, and start building the systems that will define the next generation of technology. Your AI career begins today.